I think at the moment, I don't think we have the luxury to vaccinate all the children in India in the nearby future. First thing is, there is only an approval by subject expert committee. Subsequently, we are going to get approval from the DCGI, which is the ultimate body. And then, obviously, side by side, the manufacturing must have started for the pre-filled syringes. Although it is no different from the adult vaccine, we are trying to package it into a different form, that's all. And one more interesting point here is Zydus is not even going to be an injection. It's going to be an intradermal applicator-driven vaccine. So the advantage is that it can be administered even by a non-medical, non-technical healthcare person. It can be given by people who are outside healthcare, like approved by the government, say an Anganwadi worker or anyone like that. So that is the ease of administration, though the number of doses are 3. Again, this will be a disadvantage because to vaccinate one particular child entirely, it will be 3 doses versus 2 doses for Covaxin. And there are actually vaccines working on a single dose. When we get a vaccine which is single dose, we can administer vaccine on a very large scale within no time. And that way we can build up immunity faster as a nation. So these are all the things. And do we have to vaccinate? That is, like, obviously it is recommended. But right now, I think in the first phase, as I can see, it will be emphasis for children with disabilities or special healthcare needs, like say transplanted, post-transplanted children, whether it's a kidney transplant or a liver transplant, and then chronic heart or chronic lung disease, chronic kidney disease, chronic liver disease, children on immunosuppressants, whether it's steroid or cancer chemotherapy or any other immunosuppressant, say for a connective tissue disorder, all this category. And then neuromuscular illnesses, children with neuromuscular illness, autism, neurological illness, who are more bedridden. These are all the groups of children who are high risk. So probably the focus first will be on these children rather than anyone else. And then it will be on any other average child.